All right, so today we're going to try something a little different.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, well, not too different.
Okay.
We're going to do like a rapid fire deep dive
Okay.
into some open houses
Interesting.
in Toronto.
Okay.
And
Sounds good.
these are not just any open houses, though.
No.
These have been curated by Brad Cox from the Heaps Estrin team.
Of course.
Oh.
Always on top of it.
Yeah, and
The best.
you know, he has like a...
He's got that Midas touch.
He does.
Yeah.
So if you want that kind of bespoke real estate experience...
Right. That's the guy to call.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. And he has a lot of those like off-market and exclusive properties.
Yeah.
So,
Like he has access
yeah, if you want something specific,
to stuff that you're not even going to see.
he's the guy.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're just going to dive right in, and we're going to go through each one.
Love it.
I'll give you the address. I'll give you the price. I'll tell you how many bedrooms it has and how long it's been on the market.
Sounds good.
And then you tell me what stands out to you about this particular property.
Love it. Let's do it.
Okay, so the first one is at 210 Glengrove Avenue West in Toronto.
Glengrove?
It's listed for $3,058,000.
Okay.
It has 4 bedrooms plus 1,
Okay.
and it's only been on the market for 2 days.
Wow. Okay, so brand new.
Brand new to market.
Yeah.
So what stands out to you about this one?
Well, I mean, 2 days on the market, so obviously there's something that's attracting people to it.
Yeah.
What's interesting is they highlight a marble fireplace and a bay window in the living room.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and I think that speaks to maybe some original character features of the home.
Right.
So it blends modern living,
Yeah.
but it has these nods to the past and some of that original craftsmanship, which can be really appealing.
Absolutely. Okay, great. Let's move on to the next one.
Okay.
Okay, this one is at 63 St. Leonard's Avenue
St. Leonard's.
in Toronto. It is listed for $3,150,000.
Right.
It has 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
And like the last one, it's also only been on the market for 2 days.
Wow. Okay, another hot one.
Yeah, so what jumps out at you on this one?
This one, they highlight the in-ground pool and the fully fenced south-facing backyard
Oh, wow.
on a 60 by 150-foot lot.
Nice.
So I think,
That's a good size.
you know, in the city, if you want your own little private oasis,
Yeah.
that's the way to go.
Yeah, absolutely.
You've got a pool, you got a big yard.
Yeah, you can entertain.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's move on to number 3.
Okay.
This one is at 9 Dunvegan Road,
Oh.
Toronto.
Right.
It is listed for $3,160,000.
All right.
It has 3 bedrooms,
Okay.
and it's been on the market for a little while.
A little bit longer.
It's been on the market for 65 days.
Okay. Interesting.
So, what stands out to you on this one?
Well, it's interesting that it's been on the market for 65 days, but it's still hanging in there.
Right.
And it's a freehold townhouse
Okay.
right in the heart of Old Forest Hill Village.
Nice.
Which is a very sought-after area.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, those are rare.
it's newly renovated.
Oh, wow.
So exquisite attention to detail.
Nice.
So, I mean, those two things together, a freehold in Forest Hill and then a high-end Reno,
Yeah.
like that's why it's still kicking around.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, great. Let's move on.
Okay.
Okay. The next one is 78 Chudley Avenue
Chudley.
in Toronto.
Okay.
It is listed for $3,289,000.
All right.
It has 4 bedrooms plus 1,
Okay.
and it's been on the market for 57 days.
57 days. Okay.
Yeah. What do you think about this one?
So this is in Lytton Park, and it's a custom-built home, about 14 years old,
Okay.
which is, you know, a desirable attribute for a home.
Yeah.
But one thing they highlight is they have an upstairs laundry room,
Oh, nice.
which,
That's a great...
you know, if you live in an older home especially, you don't get that often.
No, it's a huge convenience.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let's move on to the next one.
Okay.
This one is at 314 Glen Road
It's 314 Glen.
in Toronto.
All right.
It is listed for $3,350,000.
Right.
It has 5 bedrooms plus 1.
Wow.
It's only been on the market for 7 days.
7 days. Okay.
Yeah, so this one is in Rosedale.
Rosedale.
Okay.
What stands out to you?
Well, it's a contemporary, family-friendly home
Okay.
on a calm Rosedale Street.
Yeah.
It says there's opportunity to expand.
Oh, nice.
And a large west and south-facing backyard.
Nice.
So, you know, it sounds like you get kind of the best of both worlds, like move
Yeah.
in ready,
Right.
and then also the potential to...
Put your own stamp on it.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's move on to the next one.
This one is at 42 True Davidson Drive
Drew Davidson.
in Toronto.
Okay.
It is listed for $3,350,000.
All right.
It has 6 bedrooms.
6 bedrooms. Wow.
It's been on the market for 37 days.
37 days. Okay.
So this one is in Governor's Bridge.
Governor's Bridge.
What do you think?
I mean, 6 bedrooms. That's a lot of bedrooms.
That's a lot.
It also has ravine views,
Nice.
which is great. And then they say the lower level is awaiting personal touch,
Okay.
like potential for gym, theater, playroom.
Oh, nice. So much space.
Yeah, so you could really...
Yeah, you can do whatever you want with it.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay, great. Let's move on. Okay. This one is 161 McPherson Avenue in Toronto.
Okay.
Listed for $3,495,000.
Yeah.
It has 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
And it's been on the market for 30 days.
30 days. Okay.
This one is in Summerhill.
Summerhill. Okay.
What do you think?
Well, this one's a semi-detached, but they highlight a custom-built, oversized 2-car garage,
Nice.
which in that neighborhood
That's huge.
can be very rare,
Yeah, especially for a semi.
especially for a semi-detached.
Yeah,
So
yeah, that's a great feature.
that's a big selling point.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's beautifully renovated.
Nice. Okay, let's move on.
Okay.
Okay, this one is at 33 Webster Avenue
That's true.
in Toronto.
Okay.
Listed for $4,185,000.
Okay.
This one has 3 bedrooms plus 1,
Okay.
and it's been on the market for 30 days.
30 days. All right.
This one is in Yorkville.
Yorkville.
Okay.
What jumps out at you?
So this is a townhome that's been recently transformed.
Okay.
And they highlight the high-end Italian Dada kitchen.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So,
So fancy.
yeah, and it's maintenance-free living,
Nice.
which can be appealing.
Yeah.
And then flexible possession date.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So,
So they're ready to move
yeah, it seems like they're pretty motivated.
to get it sold.
Yeah, okay, great. Let's move on.
Okay.
All right, this one is at 127 Welland Avenue
Well,
in Toronto.
okay.
Listed for $4,849,000.
Okay.
It has 4 bedrooms plus 2.
Wow.
And it's been on the market for 23 days.
23 days. All right.
This one is in prime Rosedale Moore Park.
Okay.
What do you think?
So this was interesting.
Yeah.
It's a detached home that's been beautifully rebuilt.
Okay.
And it's a smart home.
Oh, nice.
So
That's the future.
high-end finishes,
Right.
which is to be expected at this price point.
Right.
But what I thought was interesting is they highlight the 3-car private driveway with snow melting.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, which, you don't see that very often.
No.
So a little bit of luxury.
Yeah, a little touch of luxury.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, great.
Okay.
All right, last one.
Last one, all right.
This one is 47 Roxborough Street West
Roxborough.
in Toronto. Listed at $5,499,000.
Wow. Dang.
It has 3 bedrooms plus 2.
All right.
It's been on the market for 25 days.
25 days.
So this one is a semi-detached on the south side of Roxborough,
South side.
Street West.
Okay.
What do you think?
So this is a stunning Scandinavian designed semi-detached.
Okay.
And it has unobstructed views over Ramsden Park and the Toronto skyline.
Oh, wow.
So that view is
That's a big
selling feature.
Yeah. Okay, great. So that was all 10.
Okay.
We did it.
We did it. Yeah.
So as you can see, Brad has curated quite the selection.
Yeah, he has quite the
Some
range.
properties here.
Different neighborhoods, different price points.
Yeah. Different everything.
Different everything, yeah.
For everyone.
Yeah, for everyone.
Yeah.
So, as we mentioned, this isn't even all he has.
No. This is
This is just like a taste.
Yeah, the tip of the iceberg.
Yeah.
He's got all those off-market properties.
Oh,
and
yeah.
If you didn't see what you like here,
Yeah, give him a call.
give him a call.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he'll find something for you.
Yeah, he can create that.
He can create that experience.
That bespoke real estate.
It's bespoke
Yeah,
experience.
exactly.
So as you were listening to all of this, did anything stand out to you?
Yeah, I mean, I think
Was there a particular neighborhood or feature or...
it's interesting to see how much is out there.
Yeah.
Like, even in this little snapshot,
Right.
there's so much variety.
Yeah, and that's not even...
Yeah, and that's not even
Yeah,
everything that's out there.
right.
It's exciting.
Yeah. It's a good time to be looking, I think.
It is. It is.
So thanks for joining us for this rapid-fire deep dive into open houses in Toronto.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah. And we will see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.